So this is the new Reed and Prentice 14-inch metal lathe. Told it's from 1918. 220 single-phase motor running it. Ignore the sketchy wiring there. That's the way the previous owner had it. I just got this home yesterday. Got a 4-jaw chuck. There's a 3-jaw and a faceplate. This has power feed in both X and Y. So I'm gonna work on cleaning it up and I guess getting set up with some more tooling. This is the taper attachment on the rear. Tailstock. There's a live center in here right now. There's 3 dead centers down there. Has threading. It's not a real fast lathe. I guess these older ones weren't because the tooling wasn't that great yet. This is broken here. So I guess this is the chart for threading. I'm not sure what this lever does. So if anybody can help me out with the controls on this, I'd appreciate it. These 3 here for setting up your speeds by shifting the gears. This in conjunction with this sets the threading. Then over here, I'm not really sure what I got going on. I know this is for the power feed in that direction, and this one is for that direction. I'm not sure what this one does. I think this one locks this carriage in place, and then there's this sliding spur gear here, and this puts the carriage in like neutral. This is a 14-inch. The ways do have some wear to them, but that's to be expected for a 100-year-old machine. So I bought it with the intention of making a couple new shafts, threading the ends on them. For the Inslee, I need to make a couple other parts. There is a little bit of play in the spindle here, but I think I was reading I can pull shims out from under this cap. I think I had like 8 thousandths. This is forward and reverse. So I think it'll work all right for what I intend to use it for. Just pretty much making some pins and bushings and stuff like that. Eventually I'll clean it up, repaint it. Just want to get everything functioning the way it's supposed to right now. I guess all these little oil cups. Wonder if they should probably have some felt in them. And I'm not sure what would you put in here? Is that for, I don't know. Both sides have it. The front has it too. And taper attachment. This thing is pretty heavy. I think it's somewhere 4,000 or 5,000 pounds. Backhoe had some trouble picking it up with the loader part of it. I ended up having to extend the backhoe out on it, just so I had enough weight off the front end that I could steer a little bit better. And then getting it here in the garage, my door's not big enough to get any of my machines in here. Plenty wide enough, but not high enough. So if anybody can help me out on oil controls on the carriage or apron, not sure the proper technical name for it, I'd appreciate that, as well as this lever on the end here. And if I'm correct in assuming that this is for the threading, this chart here. And I'll probably work on getting a quick change tool post for this, maybe. All right.